Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I get some disco vibes from Jonas Brothers, and they give us No Time to Talk. And maybe it's just me. In my ears, I hear a very hot and modern version of Bee Gees' Staying Alive. Okay, that's only me. I'm not sure if you get it as well. But anyway, let's go into this one. And I can just mention right now, we have 4 chords. We're going to play without any capo. We have 2 of them are bar chords. And later, in the end of the tutorial, I'm going to give you how to just skip the bar chords and play 4 even easier chords I'm going to look at right now, but with a capo. Stay till the end of this tutorial. Now let's go into the chords needed without capo. We're going to start with B minor. That's a bar chord. You play the 2nd fret. You push the index finger on the first 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Next chord is the F sharp minor, again a bar. And on the 2nd fret, this time you push down all strings, and then you need to add 4th A, 4th D. That's it. Next up is the A, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And finally you have the E, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so that is the chord progression, and we're gonna play one string pattern that goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, down, up, clap. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, and then just up, down, up in the end. And that is one string round. So together it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. A couple rounds to get the feeling for this rhythm. Okay, and I mentioned the chord in the same order you're gonna play them. So B minor, one string round, F sharp minor 1, A1, and E1, like this. Again. So there you have the song basically, but I promise, like I said, you're gonna have the chords with a capo on. So I gotta put that capo on the 2nd fret. Alright, so let's do that first. And then we're gonna have some easy chords. It will be A minor, E minor, G, and D. So A minor goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have E minor. It will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have G next. And it will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And finally we have the D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So that will now be the new chord progression: A minor 1, E minor 1, G1, D1, like this. So there you have it, guys. A cool song from Jonas Brothers. No time to talk, just play your guitar. And here we have 2 versions of it. If you have a capo, then you can go for this very, very simple version. Otherwise, go for bar chords, not too hard as well, and play. Thank you very much, and play tuned.